M5851. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Nancy Barrio, 43 years old, married. I have one children, 10 years old boy. I am Catholic, I am high school graduate. I'm the second in the family.
Okay. Tell me about your experience as a helper in Saudi Arabia.
I worked before for 2 years in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper, taking care of children, taking care of elderly, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing, gardening, car washing, marketing, and taking care of dogs.
Okay. Since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
Yes, I'm willing to take care of newborn toddler.
Okay, so you have an idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I will check the diaper and then temperature. I may be hungry.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry everything that you have done, what will you do?
I will call immediately in my employer.
Okay, and what will you say to your employer?
The baby is stop crying.
Okay, you will ask the attentions of your
Yes,
employer.
sir.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because employer in Hong Kong give high salary compared in the Philippines, and then I can support high in the family.
So you can support the
Yes.
family needs. Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to finish and then as needed my employer to continue my service, I will proceed.
Okay, so you are willingly to extend your contract.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food? Do you
Yes,
have
sir.
any?
I know how to steam fish, chicken, and then soup vegetable.
Okay, you know how to create a soup vegetable. And
Yes.
when did you learn how to prepare a Chinese food?
In my cousin, sir, in the Binondo.
Okay, so you know how to prepare because of your
Yes.
cousin.
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to share jobs as a helper.
I guess.
It is okay to you to share room with kids.
Yes.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup by your employer?
It's okay for me.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly, helping them to go to the bed, to bathroom. It is okay with you?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yes, sir. I will.
How about cutting your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair?
Yes.
It is okay with you. Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, polite, and patient.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss
Thank you so
Nancy.
much.
Thank you.